Okay, so this, try again. Okay, so this is our inspiration. Sorry, I'm taking a picture of the screen here. So that's our inspiration. And I have put it into Vectric. And I've done all the centering and all that. There's other videos out there on how to do that. And I've created my toolpaths. This is the result of the toolpath. So that's what we're going to be making today. Okay, we got a scrap of walnut. Shoot it up, kind of. Trying to decide which way I want to do this. If I want to go this way, if I want to do it this way. This way? I don't know. Thinking this way. Yeah, we'll have a flat surface to go on the table. Flat on the top and the natural edges on both sides. I have put on a coat of clear lacquer, and I'll tell you why afterwards. I'm done with this aura mask. I'm not using it anymore if I can help it. But yeah, let's carve some letters. No, your eyes do not deceive you. It is upside down. And the reason it's upside down is while I was standing here looking at it, I realized that this looks wider at this end than it does at this end, and I think it would look better if it was turned around. But it was already locked down and I have had enough glue trouble for one day, so I left it. I turned the file upside down. Can you read it? Alright, next thing I'm going to do is add some color. This time I've decided to go with metallic white pearl. Try this. Oh, I haven't even opened this yet. Sometimes I'm having a day. Glued myself and everything to the table here. Re-glued my hand half a dozen times. See what it looks like. That makes it pop. That makes it pop. All in there. Do it like I do, because I am an artiste. Rag. So I gotta get another rag. Be alright when it dries. I don't see any more voids. Yep, we're good. You ready for the finished product? Not a bad little piece.